Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Tomica Premium Nissan Skyline Turbo Silhouette. I like JDM a lot, but not like a lot, but I do like the JDM cars. This is my first Tomica. I think I just kind of had it for a while, and I'm like, hey, well, might as well make a video. It's number one for the Tomica Premium set. So yeah, it's a pretty cool one. So let's go and take a look at it. So let's just go and pop it open. Alright guys, let's take a look. Alright guys, now we finally got it out of the packaging. This thing just looks so stunning in that nice ruby red color. All the bodywork and panels on the car look so fabulous. Look at the Tomica logo, Nissan logo on the front. The headlights are very detailed. Number 11 on the hood. The wheels look very nice too. I love the boxy looking body. And it says Tomica around the side too. Skyline. And the back of the car looks very unique. Very different from the original design. It has a very small spoiler on it, which looks pretty cute looking. It also says Tommy on the side.
Make it 1 minute.
And there we go. Look at the back tire, is much bigger than the front. But yeah, just wanted to show you this, and I'll see you next time. So yeah. This Nissan Skyline from Tomica Premium. It is a very beautiful model. I've never really had a model so detailed like this. It is very gorgeous. But anyways, guys, hope you had a good time watching my review. And yeah, I'll see you next time. See ya.